I'm Mchone with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm going to talk to you today about our VIP buyer program. This is a program we designed for our clients that choose us to represent them when they're buying a home. And the goal of this program is for us to provide as much value as humanly possible. There's a lot of benefits that come with that program, which I'm going to be discussing right now. The first benefit with the VIP buyer program is you get a free moving truck. So we have 2 moving trucks that our company owns, and they're reserved just for our clients so that when moving day comes, you have that, you come by, you pick it up. It's a full-size U-Haul, save you a few $100 on trying to go to U-Haul, and save you that long hassle of just going and checking it all out. Makes it super easy. The next thing is we provide a guaranteed free home warranty. So that means if something in your home breaks within that first year, say the AC stops working or your dishwasher gives out, you have that covered by your home warranty. Instead of paying thousands of dollars for a repairman to come repair it or replace it, you pay a $75 copay, they come and fix it, super easy. So you have that covered for the first year. That's guaranteed that you won't have to pay out of your pocket. You're guaranteed to have that when you work with Whissel Realty Group. The next thing we offer with our VIP buyer program is a free appraisal. We work with some of the best lenders in the area, and because we send them a ton of business and we make sure that they take care of our clients, they offer our clients a free appraisal. So typically when you buy a home, appraisal is going to be an out-of-pocket cost that you pay for while you're in escrow, and it costs anywhere from $500 to $1,000. We're going to make sure that you save that $500 to $1,000 because you don't have to pay for it when you work with one of our preferred lenders. The next thing you get when you enroll in our VIP buyer program is you get access to our off-market inventory. We have a team of over 40 agents. We sold over 500 houses last year, so that's a lot of opportunities where we're selling a house and you get access to it before it even hits the market. So we have our special list of properties, some people call these pocket listings, that you get access to that the general public doesn't have access to. It helps you avoid bidding wars, and it helps you have a little bit more inventory that you can look at compared to the average buyer that's working with the average agent. The next part of our VIP buyer program that you get is our lever listed guarantee. This is probably the coolest thing we offer. If you choose us to help you buy a home and you're enrolled in our VIP buyer program, when we help you buy that home, if within the first year you decide that that home's not for you and you decide you want to move, we will actually list that home for you and will not charge you a listing commission to do it. So we want to make sure that if we help you buy a home, that's the right home for you, and we put our money where our mouth is. The best part about our VIP buyer program is we're not looking to lock you down and not let you go anywhere else. We're looking to provide value and we want you to want to work with us. And we put our money where our mouth is by offering a cancellation guarantee. So that means at any time during that process that we're helping you buy a home, if you decide that we're not doing our job, we're not providing enough value, you can just cancel it. You give us a written 3-day notice, let us know that you want to exit the program. We have 3 days to find a home for you, and if we can't do that, we shake hands as friends and walk away. Because our commitment to you is that we're going to provide as much value as we can, and we're going to make you want to work with us. We're not looking to get you stuck working with us. We know there's a lot of agents out there, and you have a lot of options in who represents you, but here at Whissel Realty Group, we believe that who represents you matters, and we would be honored to represent you when you go to buy your home. I'm Mchone with the Whissel Realty Group. If you have more questions about the VIP buyer program, I look forward to chatting with you soon about it.